Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Morena, Mr. Sun. Morena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me live 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. Tēnā koutou Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā!
What are you doing?
He just taught us a new game. We'll show you, Kōkā. Koe nei te kere o te Arapū Māori. Ka huri ki a i. Tā? Rau? Tarau!
Tarau. Hands. Ka rawe, Tākaro Tribe. Waia, wow, wow, wow! Tēnā koutou Tākaro Tribe.
Wow, wow!
Kiwi has invited you to the fun day that all of Tāne's birds are having. But she asked if one of you could welcome the birds when they arrive.
Maybe that's something you could do, Oo? Yeah? Yay! How wonderful!
Don't be scared, Oo. Your sisters and Big Bro will support you. You've got this.
But I don't know how to fight kōrero, be a spokesman. Where do I even start?
Maybe Pāpā Rākau can help you.
Let's go see Pāpā Rākau.
Amariki mā, noho mai ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama. Aue.
Tākaro Tribe, you've arrived.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
What are you all up to today, Tākaro Tribe?
Kiwi has organised a fun day for all the forest manu, birds.
That sounds awesome. Why are you nervous, Oo?
It's my job to do the whai kōrero, but I've never done whai kōrero before, Pāpā Rākau.
Don't be afraid. You can do it. It's hard to do something for the first time. The main thing is to try. You need to prepare 3 mihi. First is the opening mihi, like these. Tēnā koutou katoa. Nau mai, haere mai, then your name.
Greetings to you all. Welcome, everyone. Ko U tōku ingoa.
Ka rawe, Oo. You're on the right track. Your second mihi is to those who are gathered there and what brought everyone together. Did they come from afar? Who all came?
Well, we're gathering because it's bird day for all the birds of Tāne.
That's right, Oo. You're doing great. The last mihi is the closing mihi, like, thank you all for coming. Then maybe end with, si hei.
Mauri ora! How will we get to the bird day?
Who will take you?
Yay!
sorry, my friends. The wind was a bit too strong. All aboard Tākaro Tribe.
Karakia first, Pooh. Let us karakia. E te wānei e hora nei, tēnei te Māori ka whakatiki, ko te Māori o ngā tamariki a tāne māhuta. Te Māori ka puta ki te whaiau, ki te ao mārama. Haumie, huie, taikie!
Ka pai.
All aboard Tākaro Tribe.
Siaira, Pāpā Rākau!
Haere rā, Ngāti Tākaro.
Take a look at the manu around us, everyone.
Wow! Kia ora kahu, kia ora kereru. I'm excited to see all the birds that will come. We need to get there soon so Oo can get ready.
You're right, O. Hold on, Tākaro Tribe.
Ooh, look at all the manu birds who came.
You've arrived, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kiwi.
We start soon.
Oh, I'm really nervous. Don't be afraid, Oo. Gather around, Tākaro Tribe. Time to breathe. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out.
It's your time, Oo.
All right, Oo. Be Maya. Brave. Stand strong. You've got this. Tēnā tātou katoa. Ko tōku ingoa. He mihi tēnei ki a koutou I haere mai I tawhiti, mai I tata. Nau mai ki te rangi miharo o ngā manu a tāne. Tihei! Māori ora!
You did it, Oo.
Yay! You were so Maya! Brave! Let's sing to celebrate!
Noho mai ki tōku taha, noho mai ki tō Kōkā taha, tihei Māori ora. Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā!
Were you successful in your task today, Oo?
Ai, Kōkā. My tuahine, sisters and tuakana brother said I had a strong speech.
You are amazing, Oo. Let's look at the word of the day. Pāpā Rākau is calling you.
See ya, Kōkā!
Kia ora no, Tākaro Tribe. You got a lot done today.
All right, Pāpā Rākau. I stood and spoke in front of a big audience.
Ka mau ke te wehi. Let's celebrate with a song. Let's take a look at what you did today. You were all invited to the rangi miharo for all the birds of Tāne. U was asked to be the kai kōrero for the event. However, he didn't know how to do a formal mihi. You learnt about the 3 stages of a mihi. And U delivered his kōrero with great courage. You also learnt the new word of the day. Mihi. Mihi. What a super day.
What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pō Māori e. Good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Roia tō mata, parai he hia o niho, kuhuna o kakamoe pō Māori e kuhu ki te moinga, takoto